You can look around and see how people are dressed when they come to court. This is felony court. This is where you can go to prison. You don't show up wearing shorts and go find some pair of sweatpants. Sweatpants aren't allowed. Shorts are for sure not allowed. All right. This is somewhere where you need to dress as nice as you possibly can in the future. So this is your initial appearance, Ms. Baldwin, and cause number 26 DCCR. I mean, Mr. Baldwin, I'm sorry, and 26 DCCR 0899. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of engaging in organized criminal activity. And that is from March 1st of 2026. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
My father told me he was gonna talk to Burbank.
Okay.
I don't know if he did though.
So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. If someone's helping you, that's great. But ultimately, it's your responsibility to make sure you talk to at least 3 lawyers. All right. If you get someone hired before the next court date, you just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. But if you're not able to hire someone, then again, you need to talk to at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order. Do you understand? Same thing. When?
No.
Yeah.
Before I went to jail on my misdemeanor.
That doesn't tell me anything. When's the last time you smoked or used anything that contained THC in it?
More than 3 weeks ago.
Okay. Obviously, that's not a good idea while you have a felony pending. Do you understand that now? I don't care. Again, just like I told him, I don't care if it's legal, illegal. If it has anything that's going to make you test positive for THC, you're not allowed to use it at this point because I have to make sure you're not doing anything illegal, and that's the only way I know. You're going to be required as a condition of your bond to have a drug patch put on within 24 hours. So between right now and tomorrow at noon, I want proof to your bondsman that you have that drug patch on. They can tell you where to get it. It's a patch that goes on your arm. It's up to you. You better keep it on there. Make sure it stays. You have to go every 2 weeks, get it changed. If yours should be barely positive this next time, it's going to have the amount in your system on it. So it's not just a positive or negative. So I'm going to know if your amounts are going down or not. If that amount's not going down, and if you're not clean within 2 patches, I'm going to assume you're still using, your bond will be raised and you're going to be back in jail. Do you understand? Any questions about that? So I want everything same that I already told you. You need to work on getting a lawyer. You need to work on having a job and bring me proof of all of that. Step in front of the clerk. If I test you this morning, you can have something in your system. Have seen the jury box. Let's double check that first.
Or chair on the front.
Remember about August.
One, two, three, four.
The one, yeah. Let me look and see. Mr. Malone? Yeah. Mr. Malone, I found that you do qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. And so where do you work? What do you do?
81 sheet metal, and I'm the welder and fabricator. And then we go to plants and do just whatever they need. It's like metal.
Where would you be traveling, I guess,
mainly
outside of?
mainly the paper mill in Evadale.
Okay.
That would be the main spot, and then sometimes stuff comes up. This and it might be out of county. It just all depends. I actually don't go in any of the plants because of my background,
Right.
but I do go to the paper mills and other places, you know, that do allow.
You've got your GPS on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will modify the conditions of your bond. Evadale's in, what county?
I want to say, is it Orange?
Maybe. Do you know, is it Orange? So I'm gonna allow you to go, to Evadale. Also, here's what you can do for your work, and probation's gonna take note of it. You're on probation, obviously. So you're still supposed to be doing everything you're supposed to on probation. So as a condition of your probation, I will allow you to leave with permission. So you've got to let your probation officer know if you're leaving. So you can't just go and then come back and say, oh, by the way, I went. You need to let them know, call. It's another step you have to take, but that's the only way I'm going to allow you to do it.
Is there any possible way I could go to Tyler to see my mother?
You need to ask permission from probation first. So just ask them. They'll send something over to me. I take a look at it. I have a pile of stuff I look at every day from probation, and then I'll make that decision. Okay?
One other thing, I've asked Miss Bradley several times, and she just